We're going to get into the one-star reviews here and learn about how this trading algo company blew up, lost everybody's money, went to zero in a week last year in July, August 2024. People's real comments, people sign up and then lost like 100 grand the next week. People was all going great, lost $1 million. I made a video about this recently, so they have a bunch of these one-star reviews. The company is called Nerp Capital, Nurp, and I became aware of them about a year and a half ago. I'm interested in trading algos, so I investigated them. I hopped on a sales call, and I discovered that they were trading Martingale strategy. Martingale strategy is a system of risk management where when a trade moves against you, you double down. And then if it moves against you again, you double down again. So at first you have one position, it moves against you 2, moves against you 4, moves against you 8, moves against you 16. The idea that at some point it's going to move back in your favor and you're going to be able to close everything as a win. But what if it's 32, 64, 128? You lose everything. And it happens eventually when there's black swan moves. The idea is the Forex market is very orderly. It just goes and trades back and forth. But I saw this coming and some other people saw it coming and is like, I want to stay away from this thing. And I'm interested to see what happens. Now, I forgot about Nurp until this past week when since we're going to be marketing and licensing our own bots, I wanted to take a look around the industry and see what people were doing. And I checked up on Nurp here and discovered that they blew up everyone's account in July and August. So we're going to read about it. But what happened in the market, if you look at any kind of yen pair last year in July, August, is it just went one-sided, really strong move, a year's volatility in a week, one directional, no bounce. And Nerp had people keep putting in margin, put in margin, add more, and it just blew up like an unlimited amount of funds because, I mean, if you kept doubling down, eventually it would survive, but like you run out of money first, so everybody lost everything. One star, biggest scam in the whole wide world, and they still managed to have 3 and something stars. Okay. At the end of the day, anyone who joins this platform and uses their algorithm will definitely go into a loss, and you might think you're winning now, but you'll have a personal experience and learn the hard way. No good about them on any social media, and a victim's page has been created on Facebook. They are crooks. I'm actually going to look for that. I don't have Facebook installed on this phone. Oh, I do. Let's look. I want to see if I can find it. It might be hard to... I'm going to look. Nerp Capital, Nerp Victim, Facebook. But I'm going to go through the one-star reviews. Okay. Can't find it anyways, so no need. Let's continue this. Okay. Most recent reviews are from March 2024. Nobody wants to leave the reviews after they lost all their money in a September crash. Hundreds of people lost money due to the Nerp defense systems not working. Scam, stay away. Response, this review is not legitimate. Which is kind of true because, hey, it happened in July, August, not September. Zachary G. Beware of Nerp, they only want your money. I bought their bot at $12K price, put $50K in at a recommended setting, plus paid a $497 monthly fee. That's crazy. $12,000 and a $500 fee. I'm not going to price mine like that. Way too much. I followed everything they told us. With the AUD JPY event in July or August, it blew my account. I asked for a refund. They told me in an aggressive way that it's not in their policies to refund customers, even if it's their fault my account blew up. They really don't care. So he lost $50,000 account plus $12,000 plus a couple months of a $497 fee. So we lost like $60,000. And yeah, the yen account, and they don't argue with this, although they say, hey, you paid $9,000, not $12,000 because we gave you a $3,000 discount. Well, they're not denying that it happened. This one lost $88,000 after their safety features. By the way, Nerp's not a scam. I'm not saying they're scammers. I'm saying their trading systems fucking sucks. Martingale is not a way to manage risk. I cut my losers, pyramid into winners. That's what the backtesting shows works. MTP, it's based on trend following systems that were developed in the 70s by guys like Richard Dennis, and our backtesting goes back hundreds of years. There's no catastrophic loss where you lose everything, because you're continually cutting your losses as the market moves against you, adding to winners as the market moves in your favor. That's how real trading is done. So you don't need to worry about the black swans. You just get out of the market. You take a small loss, you get out of the market. This guy lost $88,000 after their safety features. You've not requested anything from me, as you stated in your response. The past review. Lost $88,000 after their safety features didn't work. Weird, there's no reviews past May of 2024, after which date the shit hit the fan. Someone paying to get the bad reviews deleted. Okay, I don't know what the safety features. Warning, do not buy anything from them. There's so many 1-star reviews. You will lose your account, if not the majority of your funds. The company only cares about gaining from monthly payments. They don't care about their clients. Major warning. I mean, I thought from the beginning when I saw it, like, marketing a Martingale trading strategy to the public is fucking criminal. Because this will happen eventually. It's all good. Your account goes up 10% a month, 10% a month, 10% a month until you lose everything. I wouldn't recommend this company. Technology is faulty. Team is not very genuine. Beware, you likely have a loss. This one, I lost $120,000 with this company during a recent historical drawdown event. Their solution is to just keep adding money with no equity protection in mind. Well, brother, maybe if you added another $500K, you could have saved your account or lost all of it. Then their compensation is everywhere, with some members getting back part of initial buy-in and future free licenses, others getting next to no compensation. Currently, there are better options out there with risk management, and Nurp is failing to see how they can survive. Heck, their most recent Dalio bot was plagued with disconnection issues. Okay. Looks like Trustpilot has removed my review, where I lost my entire account of almost $200,000 overnight in July. If you're willing to gamble with your money, you'll probably eventually lose it all. When this event happened, it took me down, along with many others, including a few that had over 1 million in the account. I followed all of Nurp's guidance for following a conservative portfolio, and when this event happened, I couldn't reach anyone from the Nurp for guidance for 2 days. Total scam with extremely high fees and monthly subscription. Shame on Trustpilot. My review could save some poor sucker lots of money. 1 star. These algos you can find online for around $1,000. People blow their accounts with Nurp almost daily. A few months ago in June or July, people using the recommended settings blew their accounts. Unlike competitors, there isn't a master account that an actual professional trader is constantly monitoring and ready to step in case of heavy drawdowns. I personally don't want that. That becomes money management, and then it's not really legal. They offer tech support during certain hours of the days, and they cannot give you advice for how to handle your situation. I'm so thankful I saw the light and left this community for a better and less expensive algo community with constant monitoring, who has never had one account blown. With the FedBot, it's not a matter of if, but when you will get into extreme drawdowns and have to either cut a huge loss or hope the trade turns around. That's how Martingale is designed. Can't do it. Dan Byler, stay away. We lost 124% of the money we invested. Over $250,000 in less than a day. I cannot make this up. We joined in for the first 3 months. We made about 1/2 of what they showed they were making on their same bot. Then suddenly one morning we were in 75 plus trades in 2 currency pairs using their double down Martingale strategy. 1 to 200 leverage was stupid to even try. We threw more money at it to try and bail us out and lost it all. Stay away from this trash. 75 plus trades in 2 currency pairs. They're yen pairs. I'll show you the yen chart too. I lost 300K overnight. I lost 300K overnight with the approved settings that were set up when I opened the account by a salesperson. This all happened in August when Nerp clients lost approximately 10 million in account value. This company is a fraud. They're really nice people, but I have enough friends and don't need any that cost me $300,000. Look, if you've had some success to date, it's just a matter of time before you give that back. I'm going to sue Nurp, need a securities attorney, know anyone. I'm looking for a law firm that's working with one or more of the hundreds of Nurp clients that had their accounts go to zero this last July. I knew this would happen. I can't believe it, but I knew it would happen. I've talked to a few large law firms that know or heard about the massive losses, but I'd like to find a firm already up to speed. Stay away. Okay, bottom line, stay away from Nurp. Plus, you need to work with or invest with companies that have their Series 34 and are registered with the SEC and CFTC. That's not necessarily true. So, I mean, the legality, just so you know, guys know, if you plug an algo in, and will be with our algo too, it's not money management. We're not managing your money. The trades are going to originate in your account, and you will have controls to turn things on and off and manage risk. But this space, it's not money management. Having a bot run plugged into your account does not count as money management. So you can't necessarily sue over that. I mean, there's reasons to sue. They're probably deceptive in their marketing. But they're still running ads on Facebook, and I heard they raised the rate to $40,000. It's crazy. Disappointing experience, significant losses over time. In July 2023, I suffered a major blow, losing $90K across accounts after investing $20K in an additional $70K. Despite the setback, I decided to give Nurp another chance. By December 2024, I lost more than 50% of that investment, leaving me with just $25,000. Okay. I lost with the company $125,000. No response. I lost entire account of high five-figure money in just 2 weeks after joining Nurp. That's crazy. I emailed three times to higher management asking a small favor. Never got any response. Disappointed, big losses. The bots were not profitable and dangerous, almost blew my account. Other members lost their whole account. Wouldn't recommend. I personally had a severe loss of 6 figures with the software and requested a refund. Okay, do not use this algo. Save your money, but more importantly, save your time. The system will consume your life. The bot needs to be monitored constantly, and you will eventually lose your money. The happiest day of my life was when I sold out of everything and disconnected my service. I was with them from February 14th through August and lost $76K, but more than money, I was consumed by the system. The Dalio constantly needed to be reloaded due to software glitches, and the Fed needed to be watched because it would scale rapidly into many pairs. I would have to turn off pairs to prevent my account from blowing up. They're nice people, but the system is an old system you can buy for $500 from Leap FX that they white label. Yeah, it sounds like one of the reasons you need to monitor it is so you can add more margin too. That's the whole point of a bot, is not having to monitor. So now I'm going to pull up the chart and just show you like one of the currency pairs, which was AUD JPY. Let's look. Loading it right now. It happened because the Japanese decided to raise their rates for the first time in a very long time. So, just so you can see on the phone, that this is the daily chart. That really sharp move is the move that blew everyone's accounts. Because as it was going down, it kept, Martingale, you keep buying more. And I mean, the historical volatility is crazy. In a couple weeks, we can see it moved. There's a 16% move in the pair. Let's go to the yearly chart now and look. So it looks like a typical year. One of the years I'm looking at was only 14% move. Another one was about 10% move. A more volatile year looks like about 30% move. Here's another one which about 10%. So it had a year's volatility in a week, and it wiped everybody out because it kept doubling down, and you're going to run out of capital. In theory, if you could keep adding, it would come back eventually, but you need to add exponentially more money because it keeps doubling the position. So you need like an ungodly amount of money, and you're risking everything. It's just stupid. So stay away. And yeah, you have to really understand what you're getting yourself into with trading bots. Even they're not money printers. They have drawdowns, and there's different pros and cons to trading things in different ways, but you want to make sure And I mean, the way, like, this is a lesson for me as we set up trading bots and trading systems. How do we manage the drawdowns, prevent connectivity issues, but also a risk management system that makes catastrophic loss impossible? Where maybe there'll be losses, and maybe it can bleed out and have high drawdowns if the risk is up, but not like lose an unlimited amount of money in a week. Never that. Anyways, if you're interested in our bots and all that, it's not available yet. Although MTP investing system is, and that can be fully automated as bots if you want to do that. But that's more of an investing system. But there's links to both of these things down below. Okay, appreciate y'all. Much love, and talk to you soon. Peace.